Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to rotate text in Illustrator. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe, click on the Create an Account option, and from here you can use your Google, your Facebook, your Apple, you can even use your Microsoft account, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Okay, so rotating text here in Adobe Illustrator can serve several purposes and can be used creatively to enhance your designs. Now, how do we do it? It's very simple and easy. All you have to do is hit or enter letter T on your keyboard. There you go. That's going to be the text option. All right. And I'm going to put something here. And I'm going to resize it by pressing Control+T. And you will be having an option to make it a little bit bigger. As you can see. But you have to highlight first the text. Let's make it something like this one. Right. And of course, you can drag it here. If you can still follow. All right, I'm gonna delete it. Okay, what I'm going to do is okay, so I created a blank elements here, and I'm gonna press again letter T for text, and I'm gonna paste again the text that I have created earlier, and all I have to do. You see the cursor is being active and you have this option, right? That's how you rotate your text in Illustrator. It's a very easy process. All you have to do is press T. You have the anchor, which you can resize the text that you wanted. Make it smaller. And if you place the mouse on a different angle, it has a different option. Right here, you can move, rotate, and even resize. That's basically how you rotate your text here in Illustrator. Also, you have the option here that says Free Transform, pressing letter E, right? If you do that, it will give you the same exact effect. Okay? Now, remember that in Adobe Illustrator, rotating text is very easy, all right? Because applying text to a path, you can experiment with different rotations and orientations, and that can open up new possibilities for your design projects. Of course, it allows you to create impactful and visually engaging artwork. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.